Down.
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 Down can be an adverb, a preposition, an adjective, a verb, a noun or a name. As an adverb, down can mean 1. From a higher position to a lower one, downwards. 2. At a lower or further place or position along a set path. 3. South, as south is at the bottom of typical maps. 4. Away from the city, even if the location is to the north. 5. Towards the opponent's side in ball sports. 6. Into a state of non-operation. 7. To a subordinate or less prestigious position or rank. 8. In the direction leading away from the principal terminus, away from milepost 0. 9. Get down. 10. Away from Oxford or Cambridge. 11. From a remoter or higher antiquity. 12. From a greater to a less bulk, or from a thinner to a thicker consistence. 13. From less to greater detail. 14. Used with verbs to add emphasis to the action of the verb. 15. Used with verbs to indicate that the action of the verb was carried to some state of completion, rather than being of indefinite duration. As a preposition, down can mean 1. From the higher end to the lower of. 2. From one end to another of. As an adjective, down can mean 1. Sad, unhappy, depressed, feeling low. 2. Sick or ill. 3. At a lower level than before. 4. Having a lower score than an opponent. 5. Out. 6. With, on, negative about, hostile to. 7. Comfortable with, accepting of, approachable. 8. Inoperable, out of order, out of service. 9. Finished of a task, defeated or dealt with of an opponent or obstacle, elapsed of time. Often coupled with to go, remaining. 10. Wounded and unable to move normally, or killed. 11. Mechanically failed, collided, shot down, or otherwise suddenly unable to fly. 12. Thoroughly practiced, learned or memorized, mastered. 13. Downright. Absolute, positive. As a verb, down can mean 1. To knock someone or something down, to cause to come down, to fell. 2. To lower, to put something down. 3. To defeat, to overpower. 4. To disparage, to put down. 5. Specifically, to cause something in the air to fall to the ground, to bring down with a missile, etc. 6. To go or come down, to descend. 7. To drink or swallow, especially without stopping before the vessel containing the liquid is empty. 8. To render the ball dead, typically by touching the ground while in possession. 9. To sink a ball into a hole or pocket. 10. To cover, ornament, line, or stuff with down. As a noun, down can mean 1. A negative aspect, a downer. 2. A grudge on someone. 3. An act of swallowing an entire drink at once. 4. A single play, from the time the ball is snapped, the start, to the time the whistle is blown, the end, when the ball is down, or is downed. 5. A clue whose solution runs vertically in the grid. 6. A downstairs room of a two-story house. 7. Down payment. 8. A hill, especially a chalk hill, rolling grassland. 9. A field, especially one used for horse racing. 10. A tract of poor, sandy, undulating or hilly land near the sea, covered with fine turf which serves chiefly for the grazing of sheep. 11. Soft, fluffy immature feathers which grow on young birds. Used as insulating material in duvets, sleeping bags and jackets. 12. The pubescence of plants, the hairy crown or envelope of the seeds of certain plants, such as the thistle. 13. The soft hair of the face when beginning to appear. 14. That which is made of down, as a bed or pillow, that which affords ease and repose, like a bed of down. As a name, down can mean one of the 6 traditional counties of Northern Ireland, usually known as County Down.
She reached down and she gave little Fred a hug.